Welcome back to Top Car Edition. Ready to discover the ultimate blend of style, innovation, and functionality in an SUV? Meet the 2025 Honda CR-V, a true game-changer in the crossover world. Whether you're commuting daily, embarking on a family road trip, or seeking a versatile companion for weekend adventures, this SUV is built to excel on every journey. Let us show you why the 2025 Honda CR-V remains the benchmark in its class. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues its legacy of dependability and versatility, offering front-wheel or all-wheel drive for confident performance. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with 190 horsepower, it delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency for both city streets and highway drives. What sets the CR-V apart is its perfect balance. While rivals like the sporty Mazda CX-50 focus on agility and the rugged Ford Bronco Sport caters to off-roaders, the CR-V offers a seamless blend of comfort, durability, and user-friendliness. It's the ideal choice for drivers who value reliability and everyday practicality without sacrificing modern features. The non-hybrid lineup includes the LX, EX, and EXL trims, all powered by Honda's efficient turbocharged engine and continuously variable transmission. For those seeking better fuel efficiency, the hybrid options, Sport, Sport L, and Sport Touring, offer outstanding economy while maintaining the CR-V's dynamic performance. Inside, the 2025 Honda CR-V offers a well-designed cabin filled with advanced features. The front seats are built for comfort, reducing fatigue on long drives, while most trims include hill descent control and 18-inch wheels for improved stability on rough terrain. With a towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds, it's ready for outdoor adventures. Tech is a highlight of the CR-V, with the LX and EX trims featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto for easy smartphone integration. Higher trims like the EXL add a 9-inch display, wireless charging, and wireless connectivity, while rear USB-C ports keep passengers connected throughout the journey. The 2025 Honda CR-V excels in practicality, offering up to 39 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, perfect for groceries, luggage, or sports gear. The interior is thoughtfully designed to maximize storage while ensuring passenger comfort. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with non-hybrid models delivering an estimated 28 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway. All-wheel drive versions, including the EXL trim, achieve up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway,